calling all SharePoint power users. Are you ready to transform your skills into no-code business solutions? Join me, Laura Rogers, for Power Apps Fundamentals, extending SharePoint into low-code apps and forms. This is Monday, May 5th at the Microsoft 365 Community Conference in Las Vegas. With Power Apps and Microsoft's AI tool Copilot, you can take your forms and apps to the next level. In this workshop, you'll master Power Apps. You'll do things like building parent-child forms, cascading dropdowns, learn how to build pre-filled user data into forms, and slick approval processes. Plus, discover how Copilot will be able to supercharge your flow of work and simplify coding. You'll walk away with practical tips and tricks that you'll be able to use right away, no experience required. Whether you're new to Power Apps or already a power user, this is your chance to learn from me in person. Don't miss out. Join me in Las Vegas and level up your Power App skills. See you there.